In this video, I will show you how to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you're unable to connect to Wi-Fi to the internet, then it could be a case that you need to update your drivers or you don't have your Wi-Fi drivers installed. To get around this, what you're going to want to do is directly plug your laptop or PC into your internet router. So you can do this with a LAN cable which plugs into your router and directly into your laptop so you can connect to the internet. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is come down to your search box at the bottom in your taskbar and type network connections. Then underneath best match you should see something come up called view network connections. Give that a click and that's going to open up a window like this. On this window you want to find your Wi-Fi adapter, so you can see mine's here. Right click onto your Wi-Fi adapter and on this menu that comes up, come down and click onto properties. Once the properties window has loaded through, what you want to do is click onto configure. Then what you can do is come up to the top, you can see we've got some different tabs and you want to click onto the driver tab. From here, click the option which says update the driver for this device, and what that's going to do is bring up a window where you can click to search automatically for drivers. At this point, it's going to download the correct drivers for your Wi-Fi and you should now be able to connect to the internet via Wi-Fi. Now, if you're still having problems after doing this, what you can also do is go onto the manufacturer's website. So for example, mine is called the Killer Wi-Fi 6 AX. I would just basically type that into Google, find the manufacturer's website and directly download the drivers from there. One thing you can do, if you can of course do this on your PC, you could use someone else's PC to download the drivers, put them onto like a USB or external hard drive, and then of course plug that hard drive into your PC and install the drivers from there to get your Wi-Fi working and connect to the internet. So that is how to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.